Você vai viver a sua vida, e como você deseja ser lembrado e conhecido? Quem você quer ser? Acredito que nós podemos te ajudar. Aqui, você vai aprender inglês e francês, e vai aprender como fazer o seu currículo, ou resume, e fazer a sua carta de apresentação ou cover letter, e conseguir o seu trabalho no Canadá. Mexa-se e deixe a sua marca na vida, e seja lembrado e conhecido.
You know who you are, and where you are. Make sure you follow the right steps to achieve your dreams in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your working place, and get your new job. In this video, you will learn little by little these new things. Don't need to rush yourself.
Types of nouns. Nouns are an important part of speech in English, probably second only to verbs. It is difficult to say much without using a noun. There are several different types of English nouns. It is often useful to recognize what type a noun is because different types sometimes have different rules. This helps you to use them correctly. Common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns. Most nouns are common nouns. Common nouns refer to people, places and things in general like chair or dog. Any noun that is not a name is a common noun. Examples: teacher, car, music, danger, receipt. Have you seen my dog? The books are on your desk. The pursuit of happiness. Proper nouns. Names of people, places or organizations are proper nouns. Your name is a proper noun. London is a proper noun. United Nations is a proper noun. Rule: proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Examples: Jane, Thailand, Sunday, James Bond, Einstein, Superman, Game of Thrones, Shakespeare. Let me introduce you to Mary. The capital of Italy is Rome. He is the chairman of the British Broadcasting Corporation. I was born in November. Note: adjectives that we make from proper nouns also usually start with a capital letter, for example Shakespearean, Orwellian. Concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are physical things that you can touch. Examples: man, rice, head, car, furniture, mobile phone. How many stars are there in the universe? Have you met James Bond? Pour the water down the drain.
Before you have the other part of this video, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos like this. Don't be naive. Now, let's keep moving. Tell us what you think. We want to read what you have in mind. This way, we can adjust our videos to put some light on your doubts. And now, let's go back to our video.
Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the opposite of concrete nouns. They are things that you cannot touch. Abstract nouns are ideas, concepts and feelings. Examples: happiness, courage, danger, truth. He has great strength. Who killed President Kennedy is a real mystery. Sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Their lives were full of sadness. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, also called count nouns. You can count countable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. Examples: ball, boy, cat, person. I have only $5. The earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago. There are lots of people but we don't have a car. Uncountable nouns, also called mass nouns. You cannot count uncountable nouns. You need to use measure words to quantify them. Rule: we never use uncountable nouns with the indefinite article a/n. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Examples: water, happiness, cheese. Have you got some money? Air conditioners use a lot of electricity. Do you have any work for me to do? Many Asians eat rice. Collective nouns. A collective noun denotes a group of individuals. Examples: class, group of students, pride, group of lions, crew, group of sailors. Rule: collective nouns can be treated as singular or plural. More about this at rules of subject-verb agreement with collective nouns. His family live in different countries. An average family consists of 4 people. The new company is the result of a merger. The board of directors will meet tomorrow.
Hit the like and subscribe buttons, then you can help us to spread these words to more people. Help us to bring these words to your future Canadian friends. Now, let's see what else we have here. Just hit the subscribe button and like this video. This is going to help us to send you the other videos. You are not going to pay a cent for this. It is free. Thank you. Now let's go back to our video.
Compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. Most compound nouns are noun plus noun, or adjective plus noun. Each compound noun acts as a single unit and can be modified by adjectives and other nouns. Compound nouns have three different forms: open or spaced, space between words, bus stop, hyphenated, hyphen between words, mother-in-law, closed or solid, no space or hyphen between words, football. Examples: cat food, blackboard, breakfast, full moon, washing machine, software. Can we use the swimming pool? They stop work at sunset. Don't forget that checkout is at 12 noon. Note that all nouns are more than one type. For example, common nouns can be concrete nouns or abstract nouns. The common noun danger is an abstract noun, and the same noun can change its type according to meaning. For example, the noun light can be uncountable, light in general, or countable, lamp.
Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Don't worry, we will do the adjustments. To pronounce beautiful sounds you have to pay attention to the sounds of vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth and nose cavities and the consonants, posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to faint the sounds. At the beginning of words, you will, usually, strengthen the sound of the syllable. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times as you feel comfortable. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to reach your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.